Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Backdrop CMS on Oracle Linux 8.6. Backdrop CMS is a simple content management system that allows non-technical users to control and create a wide variety of web content. It can be also used to create all types of websites such as blogs, image galleries, social networks, intranets, and more. First, I am going to check the OS version. We are currently using Oracle Linux Server version 8.6. Before installing Backdrop CMS, we need LAMP setup. I have already installed the LAMP setup. Now I am going to download the Backdrop package using wget command. Now I am going to list the file. This is the downloaded package. Now I am going to unzip the file. List the file. This is the extracted directory. Now I am going to move the Backdrop directory to the Apache root directory. Go to the Apache root directory. Now I am going to grant permission and ownership to Backdrop CMS. Now I am going to create the virtual host configuration. Insert the following virtual configuration. Write and quit. Now create host entry. Use the following command. Insert. Enter the domain name and IP address. Write and quit. Now I am going to create a database for Backdrop CMS. Log into MySQL. Enter the password. Now I'm going to create database. Now I'm going to create a user. Now I'm going to grant all privileges to the database and the user. Now I'm going to flush privileges. Exit. Once all the process completed, restart the Apache web service. After restarted, go to web browser, enter the IP address. This is the installation page of Backdrop CMS. Choose the language and click Save and Continue. After verify the site requirements, we need to enter the database configuration. Enter the MySQL database name, test. Enter the database username, user1. Enter the database password. Once all completed, click Save and Continue. Now it's installing Backdrop CMS. Now configure your site details. Enter the username. Enter the mail address. Enter the password. Enter the password. Once all completed, click Save and Continue. This is the dashboard of Backdrop CMS. With this, the installation of Backdrop CMS on Oracle Linux 8.6 has completed and come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.